Welcome guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to close all other tabs in Google Chrome. So guys, if you want to close all other tabs in Google Chrome, so very easy. Firstly open Chrome browser, and after if you want to close all other tabs, so this tab right click and here option close other tabs, click on close other tabs. That is once more. If you want to all other tabs close, so right click, after click on close other tabs. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to close all other tabs in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest updates.